7 Secret Tools How Rich People Make Money Easy. In this video, I will reveal 7 simple but powerful tools which are used by all millionaires and billionaires. So, if you want to create wealth, you must start using these tools, as they are like the secret keys to wealth and abundance. Let's take a look at them. Number 1. Other people's time. One of the very limited resources that human has, but mostly being taken for granted, is time. In a day, there are only 24 hours. Since most say that time is gold, many successful people use other people's time to their own advantage. Everyone has little tasks that don't produce much value back, but still need to be done. Most highly successful entrepreneurs disseminate these tasks to others to make time for those high value and more important tasks. For example, if in your business, 1 hour of your time can produce $9,000 in value for the company, it doesn't make sense to use that 1 hour to watch your car being washed when you can pay someone $60 to do it for you. If you look at highly successful individuals, many of them don't do things like cleaning their house, washing their cars, or even cooking their own meals. In most cases, they leverage other people's time to be able to leverage their own. Number 2. Other people's ideas. An average person has 60 to 80,000 thoughts and ideas per day, according to the latest research. This means that anyone can have a great idea that can make an effect and create a massive impact. Imagine how these ideas can contribute to your own business if you just invest in hearing to other people's suggestions and thoughts. This is the story of Richard Montanus, who went from being a janitor making $4 an hour to creating a product that would make billions of dollars in sales. This product is the Flaming Hot Cheetos. Montana was a janitor at Frito-Lay, where he thought about putting chili pepper into Cheetos. So, he took some Cheetos that hadn't been dusted yet from the production line and made his own at home. He presented his idea to the CEO, and Hot Cheetos became one of the biggest product releases in Frito-Lay history, making billions of dollars ever since. As humans, we don't have all the answers and all the ideas. Sometimes, we need other people's ideas to combine with others in order to produce a unique and special idea. Number 3. Other people's work. Hiring staff from outside your area of expertise can free up your time so that you can focus on what you do best. Plus, you can take on more challenging projects and serve more clients. On top of that, using other people's work will speed up the service of your business. Let's say that my friend Tim here is starting his own hotel and restaurant business. So he greets people, takes the order, cooks, and prepares the dishes, then delivers the food and cleans up after the customers leave. However, while he does this, there are other customers who have been waiting for a while and getting impatient. This caused them to leave unsatisfied. On the other hand, my other friend Jesse also started his hotel and restaurant business. Unlike Tim, he hires a couple waiters, a couple of cooks, and a manager to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Thus, he is able to serve all of their customers in a timely manner, which generates him more revenue and positive feedback. Tim, in the first scenario, is the bottleneck of the business, since there is not much he can do by himself, so his customers leave unhappily. Jesse, on the other hand, used other people's work to become more efficient and effective in delivering his business services. Jesse is able to produce more results due to the fact that he is not the bottleneck of the business. Now, this is just a quick scenario. How about real companies who grew to massive levels that would have not been possible without other people's work? Think about Microsoft. This company will not be one of the massive trillion-dollar companies that it is today without its 221,000 employees. Thus, it is not much to say that using other people's work is essential for an enterprise to boom. Number 4. Other people's knowledge. Human knowledge has its limitations. As a person, we cannot admit that we know it all. Each and every one of us has a different set of skills and talents that can be used to build a powerful business. Thus, by using this mixture of knowledge and expertise, it will help your business remain competitive. As Robert Kiyosaki once said, an intelligent person hires people who are smarter than he is. Hence, by using other people's skills, knowledge, and experiences, you are tapping into a resource that you didn't previously have. This knowledge can come from skilled employees, mentors, coaches, or consultants. There is no reason to spend 5 years learning by trial and error when someone can just show you the same knowledge in a few hours. Unfortunately, many people don't realize that successful people gather to exchange ideas, knowledge, and strategies. Most of them surround themselves with other like-minded people to learn and use each other's knowledge. This is what is typically called a mastermind. This is where you have access to other people's knowledge and use it for your own business and advantage. Number 5. Other people's money. Using other people's money is sometimes perceived as a bad thing. However, wealthy individuals use it often to propose a win-win situation. A situation that allows them to further increase their asset. There are plenty of ways people use other people's money. For instance, when it comes to purchasing a new house, most people use a housing loan. The bank uses money that other people have deposited to give out a loan to the person looking to buy a house. In this instance, the buyers are using other people's money to buy the house. The rich, however, use other people's money a little differently. While most people use credit to indulge in consumerism, the rich use other people's money to create wealth that otherwise they wouldn't be able to. This is the difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is typically used for consumer goods that we cannot afford. Good debt, on the other side, is used to leverage large assets that we cannot afford alone, but it's used to generate more money back. For example, let's say that investor A wants to buy this little apartment complex that costs $2 million. Even if he has a fairly high income after taxes, he still wouldn't be able to afford to buy this $2 million building. However, let's say that he can put down $500,000 and finance the other $1.5 million. Now, he's used other people's money to control this $2 million asset. What if he doesn't have the $500,000? He can still use other people's money. This is where investment funds come in. Let's say that he gets 5 investors who invest $100,000 each. This makes up the $500,000 he needs for the down payment of the property. Each of them will own 20% of the deal. Without any money, the original investor is able to take advantage of 1/5 of a $2 million worth of real estate. The same idea can be used in regular business. Numerous businesses have used debt to buy or expand their businesses. Amazon, for example, used debt to create many fulfillment centers, which gave them an edge over their competitors by providing faster shipping. In this way, they were able to dominate the market. Money is a resource that can be used to create more money as long as the cash produced exceeds the debt and the interest. Then, it can be used to generate wealth that otherwise wouldn't be possible. Number 6. Automation systems. Technology is the new norm of this digital era. Hence, it is not much to say that those who are not aware of this innovation are missing a lot of opportunities. Nowadays, technology can be a huge point of leverage for anyone who knows and is willing to use it. Through the internet, anyone can reach millions of people with social media targeted advertising, online sales pages, and automated follow-up. This has made it easier than ever for anyone to create massive reach and impact than ever before. You can create a Facebook ad that brings exposure to your business, or set up a sales page that sells the product for you, and even create an automated follow-up that will reach out to those who haven't subscribed to your product yet. The internet has created one of the most powerful leverage points for both businesses and individuals. More importantly, this channel was created with a laptop and microphone in one person. Yet, we have reached millions of people using this powerful invention called the internet. Number 7. Other people's resources. Something that most common people don't talk about is leveraging your network. They say that your network is your net worth. Thus, having strong relationships with someone can allow you to access resources that could be hard to get on your own. Furthermore, by building a connection, you are expanding your presence beyond your usual circle, which can be a huge opportunity for your business to prosper. For example, let's say that you want to launch a movie. Now, you happen to personally know a prestigious movie director that has released many popular movies that won awards. So, you go to him for tips and information, and even help to launch your own movie. What if you have a great new business that can impact many people's lives, but no one knows about it yet, and you happen to personally know a few influencers with big audiences with similar values that would love to work with you and bring exposure to your business? By having a strong network, many successful people are able to take advantage of resources that would be otherwise difficult to access. Being friends with someone does not entitle you to their resources. Nevertheless, if you ever need someone else's resources, you must create a win-win proposal that can benefit you and the other person as well. Check out the video descriptions as I put amazing tools so you can create wealth and abundance as I did using them. Poor people have mindset blocks about these tools. They believe that using other people's time, work, ideas, resources, knowledge, money is wrong, as they look at that from a selfish and ego perspective. Rich people see it as an opportunity for both ideas. They can achieve their goals as they offer work and earning opportunities for others. Where do you see yourself? Someone who creates opportunities and who creates jobs, or someone who works for an employer? These 7 tools are what makes people rich and more richer. Start with one of them and add them up. Learn to utilize them too, so you can put more money in your pocket. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This will help our community to reach more people and create better lives. Till the next one, bye!